let's talk about omegas. We have our Omega Life 3 product, a huge product in the PDR. Omegas are one of the hottest products around. Lots of different benefits here. Each serving of our Omega Life 3 provides 800 milligrams of EPA, 400 milligrams of DHA, and only a very small amount of additional omega-3 fatty acids. A lot of omega-3 products are mostly other fats. They're not mostly EPA or DHA. When you take an omega-3 product, it's crucial that you have a high amount of EPA, high amount of DHA. That's what we give you here. Okay? Our omega-3 is produced in the best facilities in the world. Our omega-3 comes from Norway. Norway is the mecca for omega-3. Norway is where it all began. In fact, our Omega Life 3 product is manufactured at the exact same facility where they make pharmaceutical prescription-only grade omega-3. I won't say the name of it, but a lot of you medical doctors know what that name is. Made at the same facility. Now, mode of action here. Omegas have a wide range of action. So, obviously, cardioprotection is a huge one. They help to increase circulation. Excellent research coming online with omega-3 in joint pain, neurodegenerative diseases, neuroprotection. Huge research coming online here. Cognition, sports performance, childhood development. Great research showing that a pregnant mother taking her omega-3s, the newborn baby develops much faster. Develops much faster. Now, how do these work? This is still one of those chemical mysteries. Isn't it great that there's still so much left to be discovered in science? What are these molecules doing? Well, what we think is that EPA and DHA are actually prodrugs, meaning they're not the active compound, but they're converted to something else in the body that gives the effect. And what we think right now is that EPA and DHA, well, we know for sure that they're converted into molecules called resolvins and protectins. I don't know if you've heard those terms before. Resolvins and protectins. So EPA and DHA are converted in the body to resolvins. These different resolvins right here. EPA is converted into Rev E1. DHA is converted into Rev D1. These are potent anti-inflammatory compounds. Inflammation. Doctors, inflammation is the root cause of all disease, right? Inflammation. If you can reduce global inflammation, then that probably would have implications for, where am I? Right here. That probably would have implications in pretty much all of these, right? If you could significantly reduce inflammation, you would help in pretty much all of those need states, wouldn't you? So that's the current theory, that EPA and DHA are converted to resolvins. One other tidbit, fascinating tidbit here. So when I was in Norway a year ago or so, I sat down with the top toxicologist at our partnering institution. I sat down with our top toxicologist, and she showed me some amazing data. She showed me that if you take an omega-3 supplement that has even a small amount of impurities, PCBs, dioxins, other fats, even a small amount of impurities can completely abolish the activity of omega-3s. Even a small amount of impurities can make your EPA and DHA not work. And that makes sense because if you have impurities that are interacting with EPA and DHA, maybe you can prevent it from undergoing this cascade to form the active compounds. Right? You prevent it from transforming from the prodrug into the active drug, the active molecule. So having pure omega-3 is crucial for activity. Our omega-3 is of the highest purity in the industry. You take it and you feel it. It's a difference that you can feel. Okay. Oh, and we're doing some really cool stuff. We continue to do some fun collaboration. So we're collaborating with Columbia University right now on a really cool omega-3 project that I can't tell you about right now. But hopefully the next time we do one of these doctor symposiums, this study will be done and we can talk about the results. But we're collaborating with a wonderful collaborator at Columbia University in doing some cutting-edge omega-3 research. And this principal investigator, she called us up. She said, hey, I heard that your omega-3 is the best in the industry. And we said, well, yes, it is, actually. Thank you. And she said, why don't we collaborate together? And we said, great, let's do it. So we're finding some really cool things here that I hope to share soon.